Okay, this is the Graf Platin tank. This is about the 800-gallon size, and I wanted to show you how to put this gasket on. This is the shaft seal gasket, and I'm starting the video with it already on, so you know what it looks like when it's in place. You can see that it's got the three ridges here that will seal against the shaft when it goes down. You can also see that it's I didn't want to lay the tank down on its side, but I left it up. I mean, on the bottom, I just left it up on its side. So you can see that the writing goes on the outside of the gasket, and basically it just sandwiches right over the lip. If I pull it off here, you'll see how I got it on. So it's real simple, just goes on. You just start it and then work your way around. I'm having to do this video myself, so I hope this explains it pretty well. But if you see, it's really a two-handed affair. But I can almost get it back on with one hand as I work it around the lip. Hard to do and take the video myself, but you get the idea. It's real simple. Really only goes on one way. There you go.